don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabanza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by China.
Yes, Chippo Njayam.
Sure.
We call the Kaizer Chiefs management now. Enough is enough. These are not the coaches. We need coaches now. And we need players, they want to play for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yes, they are good players, but for teams like Golden Arrows, not for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
These players that were playing here, they can't even control the ball. It's more like that Kaizer Chiefs was. This team doesn't deserve to play in a derby.
Yeah.
They deserve to play Premier's Cup in KZN,
yeah,
like the likes of Golden Arrows and stuff. Not at the moment now.
Yeah.
Another thing that we need a proper coach. We said this last time that we need a coach. We call the family of Mutaung. Stelama Kaizer Chiefs. Now we need to do things better. As why again look attend our game. We need our voice to be heard. We are sick and tired of what is happening. Until our voices are heard. We want to is wrong. We're just gonna stop attending games. Chippo Njayam, it's my last time I'm gonna game Kaizer Chiefs. Angizi with Chiefs until Ben's in the right. We are tired. How can you play substitute defender with defender losing 3-0? These coaches, they don't have a plan, and you can tell that there's someone behind them who's controlling everything. We are tired of what is happening. There's someone behind this. Ukhona umuntu behind this. Umtshela something. And you know what I'm saying. Now they don't even they were supposed to secure Peterson for this game. They couldn't secure Peterson for this game. And then now just Vuma, put up Peterson in the injury. Each and every game, like I said last week. This week I said each and every game, Sibona new starting 11. Today Sibona could try a new combination every game. There's no team at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is an average team. This is compared to 0.